Today we are making a simple, healthy, and delicious stir-fry. Beef with bell peppers. Tender beef, sweet peppers, and vibrant colors. This dish will definitely whet your appetite. First, let's marinate the beef. Look at the grain of the beef, then slice it against the brain into thin pieces, about the thickness of a coin. Add water in 2 to 3 batches. Mixing well each time until the beef absorbs the liquid before adding more. Now add soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper powder, cornstarch, and cooking wine. Mix until fully absorbed, then add a little oil to prevent the beef slices from sticking together. Let the beef rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While the beef marinates, let's prepare other ingredients. To make the dish colorful, I'm using 3 types of bell peppers. Just half of each is enough. Cut them into even bite-sized pieces. Next, chop half an onion into chunks. Slice 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and a little ginger, either sliced or diced. Finally, prepare the sauce. Combine salt, chicken bouillon powder, soy sauce, cornstarch, and water. Mix well and set aside. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated beef, spread it out, and don't stir right away. Let it seal for a moment to create a bit of charred flavor. Then stir until the beef just starts to change color, and remove it from the pan. Don't cook it fully yet, we'll add it back later. Add a bit more oil to the pan. Sauté the ginger and garlic until fragrant. Then add the bell peppers and onion. Stir-fry briefly, season with a little salt, and add a splash of water. The steam will help soften the peppers faster. When the vegetables begin to soften, return the beef to the pan. Stir everything together so the flavors combine. Add a pinch of sugar. Pour in part of the sauce and stir quickly. Adding the sauce in stages prevents the dish from becoming too salty. If you are not sure about the seasoning, this is the time to taste. Finally, add the remaining sauce and stir until it reduces slightly and coats everything evenly. And that's it. Our beef with bell peppers is ready. This dish is very simple, but the key is tender beef and peppers that stay crisp and sweet while soaking up the sauce. Be careful not to overcook them. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.